Welcome everyone, Eugene Hughes Motorized. I got my ass chewed out royally on a Reddit forum because I told someone, yeah, go ahead and run your bike without an air filter. It's not going to hurt it. These young kids, boy, they tore into me. They told me of the most extreme, dire circumstances. Just made me want to sit down, pig out on chocolate, and cry for a week, thinking of just all the devastation that's going to be created by running one of these little China dolls without an air filter. Well, I got news for you. These are cheap ass little engines. You're really not going to hurt them, okay? They are tough enough that they can handle it. Yes, my car, I got a Fiat, okay? That thing's about what, $17,000, $18,000 new? Okay, I'm gonna run, I got an air filter on it and I'm gonna run it, and I recommend you run a damn filter on it. But these little cheap ass engines, they're not gonna last 200,000 miles. So don't worry about it, okay? The engines are poorly balanced. There's lots of wiggle room in there. What little junk is going to get sucked into your carburetor isn't going to cause any problem. If you're out riding in a dust storm and you can't see 10 feet in front of you, well, okay. Yeah, your engine isn't going to last too long if you drive in conditions like that all the time. Duh. But hey, you can see me, I can see, I can see the camera. It's not going to hurt nothing. Run it like you stole it. One reason why I would tell someone as well to remove the air filter, the engine is a pump. It's sucking air in, we're adding fuel, we're exploding it, we're pumping out the exhaust gas. More air in, removing the air filter allows that. More air out, the better it's going to run. That's why I rip off the damn air filter. One of the administrator on the Reddit there, he custom builds engines. And he said, hey, I have a $1,200 engine that I ran for years with no air filter. It doesn't hurt it, okay? So you're not going to kill everybody within a 5-mile radius. You're not going to destroy your engine in 10 seconds running it without an air filter. It's really not going to hurt it, boys and girls. If you remove your air filter, you may want to adjust your jetting, but these guys here stock come jetted kind of rich anyway. So we let more air in, we're going to balance that out and you're going to get better performance. A lot of the motorcycles, particularly like the Italian motorcycles and the like, way back in the day, they ran open, just the Venturi, nothing, okay? Some of them, they put little screens on the carb on the inlet, just enough to keep dragonflies, small birds, and stones from getting sucked in the engine. Now, if I wanted to try and get 200,000 miles off an engine, yeah, I'm gonna run a damn air filter, okay? That's common sense, but you're not gonna get 200,000 miles off of these things here, okay? They're cheap little engines. That allows us to buy them cheap. Because they're so cheap, they don't last that damn long. So ride it like you stole it. If it blows up, well, fix it or get you another one. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe down there somewhere. Thanks for watching. Bye.